Okay students, in first video we came to know about the poet, meaning of leisure, couplet, sonnet and pre-reading task. Now students, in this video let us discuss about the poem. See here students, I had shown here some pictures of a busy life. See, mother is always busy in the housework, father is busy in his office work, you people as a student going to school, doing school work, homework, and some students are going to tuition classes, doing tuition work. See, whole day we are working like a machine. We have no time to take rest. So, the poet is telling that nowadays the human beings are similar to a machine. They get up at a fixed alarm time to reach their schools, colleges and offices. Even they do their lunch, breakfast and dinner on the time. And nowadays the human beings has no time to look around them. Everything they do the work on the fixed time. Okay students, now let us discuss about the poem according to the couplet. Couplet means 2 lines poem. Okay students, this is the first couplet. First I shall read, then I shall explain it. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. The meaning of stare is a fixed look with the eyes wide open. Okay students, now let us understand the meaning of these 2 lines. See here students, in first 2 lines the poet is complaining about a life that it has been made complicated by human lifestyle. Today man is that much busy that he is leading his life like a machine and he has no time to enjoy with the beautiful nature. See here, nowadays everyone want to become rich, so that's why everyone are working like a machine. So here the poet is not happy with the modern lifestyle that is full of stress. According to his opinion, life is an opportunity to enjoy the beauty around us. Here beauty means nature. He is saying that nature is a gift of God. Without nature, no one can survive on this earth planet. You all know. That's why he is telling that little bit spend your time with the nature, that you will get relaxed. See here children, here I had shown some pictures. See here, here man is that much busy, he is engaged in his work, he is not bothered about others. So always they are working like a machine. Okay students, now let us move to second couplet. Okay, first I shall read. No time to stand beneath means under. The boughs means a branch of tree and stare as long as sheep or cows. See here children, I had shown the picture of sheep, cows and tree. Sheep and cows means you all know they are domestic animals. They are easily tamed in our houses. Now let us understand the meaning of these 2 lines. See here students, we should find time to see the beauties of nature. We should stand under trees to feel fresh air and we can see the sight of the birds and butterflies that are flying from one branch to another branch. It gives very happiness. And next the poet says children that sheep and cows are very peaceful animals because they are domestic animals and they can easily tamed in our houses. They rarely found moving in a hurry. Sheep and cows do not attack like other animals. They are not wild animals. And students, they live friendly with the human beings. So the poet is saying that we have to spend our time with the domestic animals. That gives relax to our mind. And he is saying that no time to stand means we have no time to take fresh air also, that we are not going and standing under a tree, because if we stand under a tree we can get fresh air, but always we are working under fans and ACs. That is not good for our health. That only he is telling that little bit spend your time with the domestic animals and little bit feel fresh air. Okay students, now let us move to the third couplet. No time to see when woods means small forest, we pass where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. See here students, I have shown the picture of squirrel here. It is hiding its food in the grass, and this is the picture of small forest. Okay, now let us understand the meaning of these two lines. See here students, while passing through woods we can come across so many trees, so many varieties of plants, but we ignore them because of our busy life. We are that much hurry that we can't stop a while and see the beautiful trees and plants. Even see, in forest we can come across some animals, that squirrels running with the nuts. They are that much hurry to hide the nuts in a grass, and the animals, they collect the food for winter season, because in winter season they are unable to find the food, and we are missing everything because of our busy life. Everything we are missing, children, because of our busy life. We can't enjoy with the trees, plants and with animals. Okay students, now let us see next couplet. See here students, no time to see in broad daylight, streams full of stars like skies at night. See here children, I have shown the picture of sun rays and stream. It is full of water. Okay, here stream means river. Stream means what children? River. And streams full of stars means shining bubbles in the rivers. Okay, now let us understand the meaning of these lines. See here children, here the poet is comparing the river to the sky. See, when the sun rays fall on the water, it shines and looks like stars. When the sun rays will fall on the water, it shines, the water will reflects and it looks like stars. See here students, how stars are shining in the night, we can see it in the broad daylight when the rays of sun fall on the water. The water will look like shining stars. That also we are missing due to our busy life. We are not standing for a moment to enjoy the beauty of the nature. Okay students, now let us move to next lines. No time to turn at beauty's glance. Glance means to look quickly, and watch her feet how they can dance. See here children, I had shown the picture of a woman here. She is dancing. Now let us see here. In these lines, the nature is compared to a young, beautiful dancing woman with a smiling face. See here, the poet says that we don't have time to look at the nature that can refresh us, See here, whenever harvest will come, that time the girls or a woman are performing a dance, but we are not ready to stop because of our busy life to enjoy the performance by the girl or a woman. Here beauty's glance means it is totally compared to a nature. Okay students. Next lines. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich means improve the quality that smile her eyes begin. Okay students, see here. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich, improve the quality that smile her eyes begin means here the poet is comparing this to the nature. Here the nature changes according to the season wise, and here improve the quality means it is comparing to the leaves, flowers, branches, sound of water flowing in the river, birds singing. These all are the part of nature's dance. And but unfortunately we don't have time to admire this change of nature. See here the trees having so many flowers means this is a spring season, and in autumn season the leaves will fall down means according to the seasons the nature will change. According to the season the nature will change, and here the smile that smiles her eyes begin, it is compared to the nature means according to the season the nature will change. In autumn season the leaves will fall from the tree. In spring season again the leaves will grow. See here I had shown the pictures. So like that here the beauty is compared to the nature, that we are missing everything because of our busy life, and the woman's smile is compared to the change of nature. The woman's smile is compared to the change of nature. Okay students, now let us see the last couplet. A poor life this is if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. See here students, I had shown the picture here of a busy man, and here see in the last lines the poet states that a life which is covered with worries, it not allow us to stand and watch the nature. It means that children, we have a poor life means we have a busy life, that we have no time to relax physically or mentally. Always we are in a race. We have no time for us to give relax for physically or mentally. That only the poet is telling, that little bit slow down our lives and we have to take relax. And the nature is that much beautiful gift given by the God that we have to enjoy. See here students, the meaning of the poem is, we are always in hurry and we have no free time to look at the beauty spread all around us. This beauty will give a relax for us. That only the poet is telling, that we should do work, but we should not do work like a machine, and we are human beings that we need rest. So the poet is telling that enjoy the nature. Okay students, in next video I will provide the notes of this poem. I think till here you people understood, and this poem is for memorization. You have to by heart it. Thank you.